We Echaar Equipment Private Limited. We are a manufacturer of gearless and geared CI Flexo presses. We are making complete machine indigenously, and in this show, Plast Focus 2024, we have been showcasing that we have now newly launched two models in CI Flexo. We are offering geared CI Flexo also now, and in the speed of 250 and 200. These are economical solutions for printers who wants to print challenging substrates like LDP for milk, oil jobs, maybe breathable. So this is a very good economical solution. They can print these substrates on CI technology. Because of CI technology, they can print at a speed 250, 200, 300, and they don't have to compromise they print in gravure at a speed of 100 mpm. So this is a very good advantage, and print quality will be exactly similar to like this what we print on gearless machine. Okay, so you will get a good result and at a economical. So it is a very good solution for our Indian printing companies.
We are a 40 years old company and having a good infrastructure to make this CI Flexo machine, as well as we are into other verticals also, where we are making precision component equipment. So total machine, CI machine, CI Flexo, what machines we are making here, all components are made in-house. So our quality is at par with European and US companies, what they make. So our quality is better or at par with them. Now we have, earlier we made the Flexo Master, then we have started making Flexo Delight. Then recently, last year we launched Flexo Smart. Now we are launching the Jade machine. That is an economical solution for the Indian industry. And we hope that we'll have a good market by introducing this economical model.
More about our new launch products and also our regular offerings, you are requested to please contact any of our team member. My brother Ramesh Panchal is the chairman of company. Myself, I am Kirti Panchal, managing director. Our team members, colleague, you may see Mr. Subir Datta, then Utpal Patak. They are a senior member in this printing and converting industry. Anyone, you can approach anyone to know the more details. Thank you.